My name is Harsh and in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up VS Code for coding in Flutter. So let's get to the video. So for setting up VS Code, we first need to download VS Code and install it. So what you can do is you can go on Google and type VS Code download and click on this first link. After that you can download the appropriate version for your OS which you are using. I have already downloaded it and installed it, so let me open VS Code. So from here you can see that I have opened VS Code. Now for installing or running Flutter apps, we need to install two plugins in that. So the first one is the Dart plugin, so I'll quickly search it. As you can see that I have already installed it. The second one is the Flutter plugin. So I have installed this one also. So these are the two plugins which you need to install, and after installing, if it asks you to restart the ID, so you can do that. Now for creating a Flutter app, what you have to do is you have to click on Ctrl Shift P from your keyboard. So this is same for Windows and Mac OS, and I guess Linux also follows the shortcut. From here you can search on Flutter. So it will be showing you the first option, which is Flutter new project. So you have to click on that. Once you have clicked on that, it will be asking you to enter a Flutter name. So I'll be writing Flutter app demo project. So the naming conventions which this follows that you cannot use capital letters or spaces in this. So I have used underscore. Now I'll be clicking. It will be asking me where I want to save the project. So I'll choose desktop and it will then make a project for me. So let's wait till the project is being created. You can see here down it says that Flutter create is running and it is creating a project for me. So now you can see it says the project is all done or the project is created. So for now running this project, we need a device connected or an emulator ready or running in your PC. So as you can see, I have my device connected, but I'll be showing you in an emulator like how the project is looking. So let it load. The emulator will be opening in a while. Once the emulator is open, what we have to do is we have to click on this run button from here. So now when I clicked on this run button, you can see this bar here which signifies that your app has started running or the app will be launching in a while. So let's wait. Here you can see it says launching and all the outputs which are appearing will be shown in this. So now you can see it says the build has completed and the app is launching in the emulator. So the app has opened in the emulator. This is a basic app which is created when we are making a Flutter app. So this is basically a boilerplate app. We are clicking on this button, the counter here increases. That was it for this video where I have told you how you can set up your VS Code for running your Flutter apps.